What's up, guys? The sound must be terrible right now. I'm in the car. Green light.
Red light.
Why, David? Why? Why would you make a video about a dead hang? Strong grip. Why is it so good to have strong grip, you may ask? Well, you want a deadlift, and strong grip means you can deadlift heavier weights, which is always satisfying, right? Or if you do bicep curl, having a strong grip helps to lift heavier weights. Or you may just carry groceries from the shopping, and if you have strong grip, your girlfriend or your mom or whoever you are with will thank you, because you can carry a lot with strong grip. That's point number one. Point number two is shoulder mobility. If you have troubles with your shoulders, then dead hanging is something you should consider before you go on surgery. You would be surprised, but actually just a dead hanging will improve your shoulder mobility. This is not a joke. I'll prove it to you. This is a real thing. Point number three, if you have troubles with the back pain, the lower back, upper back, doesn't matter, hanging the right way may improve your overall condition, and your back may actually feel better after a certain time of doing so. Not many people talk about this, but dead hanging is actually unbelievable, so beneficial in so many ways. So that's why I'm here, and hopefully in this video will explain enough to you all the details and why is it so good. And then of course I would like to bring you to my journey of dead hanging. We'll do some time challenge, guys. I would love you to just sit back, have popcorn or whatever you like, maybe a drink, and enjoy the video. Let's do it.
What's up, everybody? We are in the studio right now. How did I discover this beauty of dead hanging? One day I was on YouTube and I came across this video.
We have a test that we put our patients through that's 10 exercises. And they're all basically normalized to your body weight and gender. So like a dead hang. So how long can you hang from a bar dead? So for
how long should you be able to hold?
Well, we hold males to the standard of 2 minutes. And
that's a long time.
Yeah, and females to 1.5 minutes at the age of 40.
So basically what they're saying is that 40-year-old male should hang for 2 minutes without a problem. Well, I'm 27, so for me the bare minimum is 2 minutes. Hopefully in those 30 days I can build it up to 2.5 minutes. If you asked me before I started training this and going through this journey, I would never think that could be even possible to hang for 2.5 minutes. So around 2.5 minutes I would be super happy, but minimum that I have to is 2 minutes. Here's a clip from my first day.
So this is day one. This was, whoa, like my forearm is like burning right now. It feels so pumped, and like here, look at that.
1.5 minutes without a training for this specific task. I'm only 30 seconds away from 2 minute mark. To add 30 seconds, how hard is it gonna be? That's my question. Proper form is super important. Find something that you can fully stretch yourself on while hanging. You don't want to have bent legs. Also try not to bring your legs forward or backward. Just hang freely, guys. Hanging freely means your arms are stretched up, your body position is straight, and your legs are hanging straight down. Next important thing would be the way you hold the bar. Best way to do this is by a grip called close grip, guys. Your thumb is wrapped around the bar and rest of your fingers is over the top of the bar. And that's it. It's really that simple. By hanging freely with your legs straight down and your arms overhead, you really work these muscles. Back, arms, shoulders, and abdominal muscles. Dead hangs are awesome for correcting your posture. They strengthen, decompress, loosen, and mobilize your entire upper body, guys. Now, for those who are not strong enough to hold their body weight, don't worry, I got you. Tip number 1. You may support your own body weight with your legs. Just find a bar that's not that high so you can reach the ground after you hang on to it. And by doing so, you can actually adjust a little bit. That means, sometimes you can give more support to yourself, and sometimes you just loosen in those legs and you give just a little support and you just progress that way. Second tip, if you have gym access, here is a tip for you. Sit on this machine called the lat pull down. Adjust your seat so that when you grab the bar with stretched arms, you will be able to bring it down with your body weight. Adjust the weight by your needs. Don't make it too easy for yourself. It always needs to be challenging if you want to achieve some progress. Okay, say you're 70 kilos. Okay, on the machine, just do 60 kilos or 50 kilos. Grab the bar, sit down. The bar comes down with you, right? Boom. Now you're holding 50 kilos or 60 kilos. So it's not even your body weight, but you are holding something. For those who are the opposite, just hanging there is way too easy for them. I've got tips for you how to make it harder for yourself as well. You can do the same thing I just talked about, but the weight you put on must be higher. What's your body weight? Makes sense? So if you're 70 kilos, put on 80 kilos. Now, when you sit, you're actually gonna hang there, so you will have to pull down with your shoulder blades, boom, and hold it there. Beautiful exercise, absolutely stunning. It really works those shoulder blades and your back muscles. You also can add weight while hanging on the bar. Just use weight vest, which you can buy on Amazon for really little money. There are certain exercises that can help you with your hangs. The best one in my opinion is shoulder blades pull down. Simply hang on the bar and push your shoulder blades down. Repeat that for at least 10 times and do it for about 5 sets. Again, if it's way too easy for you, just add more repetition, add more sets, or add more weight. Another great exercise is one arm hang. This is for those who are a little more advanced, but it is a great way how to improve your hangs. If you're not strong enough to do one arm hang, then you can do one arm hang, but with your second hand just hold on to towel or a rubber band. That way you still do one arm hang, but you support yourself a little bit with your second hand. I hope it makes sense. If you don't have a towel, if you don't have a rubber band, that's okay. All you need to do is grab your first arm with your second arm and hold there in this position. Okay guys? So just like that. While you're hanging there like this, you can actually try to do some chin-ups or one arm pull-ups. Great exercise as well. You see, we're getting so many exercises. Alrighty, let's get to my journey. It's time! The progression wasn't straight up line, but it was like good day, bad day, good day, bad day. So the first day I hit 1 minute and 30 seconds. I was surprised. Holy moly, like I thought I would only hit a minute or so. When I saw that I did 1 minute and 30 seconds, I was like, oh my god, maybe too good. It's gonna be hard to improve from here. I did hang every day for 3 minutes. Sometimes 3 times by 1 minute. That means 1 minute, break, 1 minute, break, 1 minute, break. I would usually do that before my gym session or after my gym session, depending on what I was training, I guess. I had strong days and I had weak days. That's the way it is always, right? With whatever you do, you have better days, you have worse days. I do visit 3 different gyms. I found different types of bars. Some are thicker, some are thinner, some are made of metal, some have some kind of grip on them, some are angled, but most are straight. The best bar I found is the thinnest one because I can really grab onto it, but the time challenge has to continue and has to finish where it's all started, which is quite ironically the shittiest bar. It's the worst bar I could actually find for myself. I hate that one because, as you can see, it's sitting low. I have my it's just oh my god, oof.
And so here we are, where it all started. Let's go, guys.
Dead hanging on the bar might seem like a simple exercise, but it teaches us a powerful lesson about life. You see, when you're hanging there, arms extended, fingers gripping the bar for dear life, you're using every ounce of strength and determination you have to hold on. But what happens when your grip starts to weaken? What happens when your muscles start to ache and your mind starts to tell you to let go? In that moment, you have a choice. You can give in to the pain and let go, or you can dig deep and find the strength to hold on a little longer. And isn't that true of life in general? We all face challenges and obstacles that test our strength and resilience. It's easy to give up and walk away, but true strength comes from persevering in the face of adversity. Remember that.
Wow. I just hope I got it, man.
Oh.
Oh my god, guys, we made it fucking somehow. I don't know, 2 minutes and some seconds, and what a beautiful journey. I'm so grateful. Hopefully you liked the video, and in the next one we're going to juggle like crazy. 2 balls, 3 balls, 5 balls, maybe. We'll see. See you there, guys.